Good morning, Mandela United. Today is Tuesday, December. Is it December? It is December. Tuesday, December 3rd. My name is Lavjeevan, and this is United News. There will be a workshop held at Nelson Mandela High School for newcomers. It will be held on December 5th, 2019 from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Attention all members of the junior boys, junior girls volleyball teams. Our season wrap-up party will be held Wednesday, December 11th at lunch in the main gym. Bring a change of clothes to play. Anyone in the Mandela Dance Empire, there will be a meeting next Wednesday, December 11th at 3:45 in the dance studio. Today, the Mandela Bistro will be serving Alberta Roast BBQ Beef on a Bun with spicy house-made potato chips. Ooh, sounds crispy. Auditions for the Mandela Coffeehouse Talent Show are coming up on Monday, December 9th and Tuesday, December 10th after school. We are looking for all students interested in performing their talents, all magicians, comedians, musicians, dancers, singers, spoken word poets, DJs, and actors are strongly recommended to audition for the show. Students who are interested in emceeing for the show must also check out on the audition slots. The Mandela Coffeehouse takes place on Wednesday, December 18th after school in the music room. Any questions? Speak to Ms. Sinayaki in the music room. All students who are currently signed up for the dual credit psychology or are interested in the opportunity next semester, please come to Mr. Ronigan's class, room 2248, for a mandatory meeting to go over expectations and dates. And now, for tech news! Verizon and AT&T decided to launch 5G in the United States, although it won't be coming to Canada for another couple days. But now for the fact of the day. Did you know that a cheetah can accelerate to 114 kilometers an hour in only 3 seconds? That's faster than any sports car. Thank you, and have a great day.